Oh, they're too cute. No. 안녕하세요, 저는 럭키고요. Welcome back to my channel today, Luckies, where we are finally going to be reacting to Day6's Where the Sea Sleeps, or 파도가 끝나는 곳까지, and I am so freaking excited to get straight into this one because I have been waiting all day for this to drop. So without any further ado, let's give this one a massive old like. Let's go full screen and let's start our reaction to Day6's new song in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Also, this looks like it might all be an animated MV just from the outset, and I think it is, and I'm gonna fucking love this. 아, 귀엽다. 도끼가 진짜 귀여워요. Hey. Hey. So what do we got? We got a rabbit, we got a fox? Fox? And a... what else was it? Puppy, 강아지. Hey. These lyrics already. Beautiful. Voice is beautiful. The puppy looks so happy. This is so cute. They're getting ready to launch, or... Well, I absolutely freaking love animated MVs. And I love this already. I vibe this so hard. The art style is adorable. Their voices are beautiful. Ooh. Hey. Hey. Ooh. Puppy's asleep. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Damn. Hey. Oh, I love this. This music video is amazing. This is a subunit as well, right? Like Youngtae, Wonpil, and I don't know who the other member is. Hey. I love this song already. It's so chill. 아, 위험해. 아, 조심해. No. Oh, I'm starting to get the feeling. Oh. Oh. 수고하지 마. Oh, come on, man. Is this gonna be a sad animated MV? Not when the song is this beautiful. Oh, I swear to God, if Day6 do this to me, where this is just gonna be a contrast, like a dramatic contrast. Hey. You need me. Hey. If this is just gonna be a contrast between the lyrics and the video being completely different, I'm gonna die. Oh, they're too cute. No. Oh. 이게 꿈이가? Hey. Oh. Who's the chicken? Wait, are they the rest of the members as well? Hey. Oh, their voices are amazing. They're all okay? Yo, I was worried for a second. You need me. Hey, this song is gorgeous. Their vocals. I've only just started standing Day6, but their vocals are amazing. 파도가 끝나는 곳까지. Wow, y'all, that was amazing. The Book of Us, Gluon. So this must be a subunit, right? They would have to be, even of Day. they must be called. But let me know down in the comments below, guys, because like I said, I've literally only just started standing Day6 like less than a month ago, and I'm actually going through their title tracks on the rest of my reactions. So for those reactions, make sure that you click up in the playlist in the cards above so that you can go and check out my journey with Day6 so far. But I absolutely loved this MV, and this song was beautiful. Their voices are absolute silk. I freaking love Day6 so much. They are so underrated. So many people are sleeping on them, and they are just fucking talent. They are so freaking amazing. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, then make sure not only to give it a like, but also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any more of my Day6 reactions. And like I said, speaking of Day6 reactions, just make sure that you click that card up above so that you can find my playlist for them. Thank you guys so much once again for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. And until next time, take care, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.